I'm freaking out. I am freaking out. I think I have a heart attack. I'm not gonna cry. I'm not gonna cry. I'm not gonna cry. Hello everyone, this is Noor and welcome back to my channel. So before I go ahead and start off this video, make sure that you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button to get notified every time I upload a new video. It will really mean a lot to me and make me very happy. Please. So I do have very exciting news that I'm going to be mentioning at the end of this video, so make sure that you stay tuned for that. But for today's tutorial, I am using Jeffree Star and Shane Dawson palettes for this one. Mini Conspiracy and the Big Conspiracy. I honestly don't know what to call it. I just kind of like a get ready glam tutorial for you guys because I do have a birthday party and then I have a chilling hangout later at night with the hubby, so it's kind of like a get ready slash date. So I really hope you guys enjoy it. So if you guys want to see how I created it, please keep on watching. The first I'm going to start off with is applying a primer. In this case, I'm going to use my concealer, and I'm using the Jeffree Star Magic Star Concealer in shade C9. And I'm just going to apply a little bit of that on my eyelid and blending it all out with my sponge. Next, I'm going to be taking the Mini Conspiracy palette from Jeffree Star and Shane Dawson, and I'm going to grab a color. It's called Diet Root Beer. This one right here. Now if you got the new palette, because I know they redid this with the green inside, I don't have that palette, but if you have the original Conspiracy, the huge one, that same color is also in here as well. This one right here, and you can go ahead and use it if you have that palette. Now I'm obsessed with both of them. I love the pigmentation, I love the colors, and everything is on there. It's just the perfect palette ever, and I just love the design of this as well with the little root beer cup right here, which is really cool. And I'm gonna take that color with a big fluffy brush, and this is from Morphe and Jacqueline. This is the JH30, and I'm going to pack this color into my crease and just literally just concentrating the color in there, and make sure that you blend it out after. So I'm just going to place it, pack it on, and then I'm gonna slowly start doing back and forth, just to kind of really make sure that that color is in the crease. And then I'm gonna hold my brush from the end, and I'm going to start doing some circular motions to blend it upwards and into the skin. I'm also going to grab Diet Root Beer, and I'm going to take it with the same brush, and I'm going to apply that on the outer corners of the lid and blending it into the crease, just to make sure to have like a nice shade going on right here. I'm going to be grabbing the Big Conspiracy palette, and I'm going to take a shade called Tanacon right here with the same brush, and I'm going to blend out Diet Root Beer with this shade. And I'm also going to take Tanacon and apply it into the inner corners where the brows are, and just kind of start fading that shade into the brows as well. Next, I'm going to be taking a flat brush. This is a flat fluffy one. I'm going to take Diet Root Beer again, and I'm going to concentrate that on the lower lash line. Have my eyeball looking straight so I can kind of pack the color in there. It's a little bit harder. I'm going to take a smaller shader brush. This is from MAC, and I'm just going to make sure that everything is well blended. Now I'm going to take Root Beer again with this brush because it's a little bit smaller, and I'm just going to pack it in the outer corners in here so that is well blended in there. I'm going to take the same brush. I'm going to take whatever I have left on it and concentrate Diet Root Beer into the inner crease, just to kind of have that dark shadow fade in there that will show you that this is your crease. I'm gonna go ahead and cut my crease, my inner crease. So I'm using the P. Louise primer, which is my favorite to do that. And I'm gonna take a flat synthetic brush. This is from MAC, which is one of my favorites. This is the 247 brush. And I am going to start cutting my crease with that. You wanna have it match up to the other eye as much as possible. And the best way to do it is to just kind of tap and cut. I'm gonna take that small brush again and I'm gonna start blending out the P. Louise primer into the shades. Fade, 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 and tap, tap, tap. I always like to take the sides of the brush to do that. I find it just does a better blending. I'm gonna take Diet Root Beer and starting just to make it a hint darker. And I'm gonna be taking Tanacon again. And I'm just going to blend Diet Root Beer with Tanacon. I'm going to be taking a color called Just a Theory from the Shane & Dawson palette, the big one, and just packing it in there. And this is one of my favorite shimmers, to be honest. It's so pretty. It's like that perfect champagne pink shimmer. Very, very pretty. Surprisingly, this is very pigmented and I love the shimmers on there as well. So I'm just taking that small brush and just blending that shade into the darker shades. And I'm just going to take that shimmer shade and apply it into the tear duct area. Now I'm going to go ahead and create my winged liner. I'm using my Kat Von D tattoo liner in Trooper. And I'm just going to start creating my wing. So I start from the bottom and then I just basically join it with the upper lash line. So now I started the liner from the upper lash line and just have it joined with that wing. I'm gonna go ahead and apply mascara and lashes and I'll be back to show you guys the finished look. For the lashes, I am using the MFMA Pro Light lashes. They look like this. They're very, very nice and fluffy and light. And then for mascara, and I'm using my favorite, their Benefit, they're real. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply both and I'll be back to finish up the look with you guys. Alrighty, mascara, lashes are on. I am here to show you guys the rest of the face. Now I'm gonna go ahead and contour and I'm using the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette and I'm gonna be using color Shadow Play in the middle, which is my top favorite. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. So I just love this powder because it really blends into my skin like butter and it gives me the perfect sculpted face. It's just one of my top favorites. For blush, I'm grabbing my Juvia's Place blush palette right here. This is called the Saharan Blush Palette Volume 2. And I'm going to be taking this pretty peach color. And this is called Tau, T-A-U. And I'm just going to grab that and put that on the apples of my cheeks. Not too much because this is quite pigmented. I just wanted to have like a peachy blushed cheeks and nothing more. So this is a quite pigmented blush, but I absolutely love it. I'm just gonna add my beauty mark here. I'm using the MAC brow marker Now I'm gonna take my Urban Decay All-Nighter spray, the Jeffree Star 24 karat, and I'm gonna be taking, actually I feel like blending these two together. I'm gonna be blending this shade and this shade. This is King Dad, and this one I'll just write it in the info box for you guys down below because it is quite hard to spell and I don't want to ruin it. So I'm just gonna blend both together, and I'm going to highlight my face with these. His highlights are insanely beautiful, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. Then for lips, I'm gonna go ahead and mix two colors. I'm using one from Shane Dawson. This is called Are You Filming? And I'm also using this one from Jeffree Star, and this is a shimmery pink. I will leave the name of it in the info box down below. I believe this one came out in Christmas when he had his pink glitter packaging. Look how gorgeous this is. Wow. So yeah, I'm gonna be mixing both on my lips. Alrighty, you guys, this is the finished look and the lips are on, and I'm obsessed with this combo. I think it's so pretty. That red, that shimmery red, has like a metallic finish to it, so it kind of looks like I have a gloss on but matte, so I like that. And something really exciting happened to me today that I really want to share with everybody. So I will be posting 2 videos with this look, with this outfit. I'm actually just wearing a t-shirt, and no, it's not the same outfit as my previous video. That one was a dress, and I have a lot of black clothing in my closet because it's my favorite thing to wear. So anyways, making it short and sweet, I was sitting down and filming the video that I posted before this one. I got a notification on my phone that says Sephora shared a picture of mine, posted a picture of mine on their Instagram page. I am so freaking blown away, you guys. I am so happy, so grateful. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys those posts that I got from Sephora. So I was just, what? I couldn't believe it. And I got a notification saying Sephora posted a picture of yours and they tagged you, and this was the picture. When I go to Sephora page, and my picture is right there. Oh my god, it's not my face physically, but this is a before and after picture that I used the First Aid KP bump eraser scrub, and it literally changed my life. It changed my body completely. I had those chicken pucks that they call, I don't know if that's what they call, and it literally got rid of it completely. I don't know if you guys could see, but Dusty is sitting right there. He wants to go out, but he's trapped. Dusty! Hi, Mama! I'll be doing a separate video talking about this and talking about some body care, some skincare, so I am planning to do that. But the fact that Sephora posted this picture on their page, I just freaked out, and I'm so like overwhelmed with so much love, so much followers that is following me right now on Instagram. Thank you guys so much if you're watching, and thank you so much Sephora and First Aid's Beauty for making this happen, and I am so excited. And First Aid's Beauty as well, this is their page. They also have my picture on there as well. You can go ahead and check it out, it's right there, and I am so grateful, so blown away, and I cannot believe it. This is literally something that just made my day, and I'm so happy and so grateful. I just wanted to share that little information with you guys. And for this tutorial, everything that I use on my face is going to be indicated in the info box down below as usual for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye!